Hello, boss. Good afternoon, though. Good evening. Sorry, how upstation today? I've been working throughout the week and I developed a few things which I'd like to show you. The first thing which Noella told me is that she wanted to be able to do zero stock sales. She wanted to do star products. She needed customer report. This one was not there, but I modified it myself to include product edit. You'll see it along the software as I try to explain. So let's begin. So now this is the POS. When you click on product and you take product list, it will show you. So the first thing I like to show you is how to sell products with zero stock. Now let me look at a particular product. Let's look at this Pro Metal. This product, the stock here is zero. So I'm going to just copy part of the name, Rod Pro Metal 100. So now I'll go to POS. You see that at first, if I just click on search for this product, the product will not be available. The reason why this product is not available is because we have 24,000 products, and if I make it to search like this, it will become very slow. So on a normal daily basis, if I type A, for example, you see products that have stock. You see them here. But if I type B, you also see those that are there. But I've pasted this product with zero stock, which is not available. So when you want to sell zero stock, what you simply need to do is that you have to click on this button here, search all products. Now this search all products button, when I click here, it is now possible to search even products that have zero stock. So I'm going to paste that very product, zero metal. Now it takes a little while to search because perhaps the database is very slow. It says zero metal pro blah blah. So I can select this one. When you look at the stock here now, you see that it's showing that the stock here is zero. But now what I can simply do is that I can add a price. I can put maybe a price of 5,000 here. I'll put the quantity. When I put price and quantity, see that automatically the total is here. The total is here. If I decide to come and I add quantity, it will still increase here. It will still increase here. The next thing I want to show you how to do is to sell star product. So this is the star product icon over here. So you simply need to click on this icon for star sales. So what we'll do is that we want to sell a product that is not even existing in your database. So what do? We click on star sales. Let's assume that the name of the product is let's just say La Bourse, and the price is 1,500 francs. Now you can also determine the category if you like. This percentage is because you automatically create the cost price. I'm assuming that you are making 10% of profit. So let me just submit this one. You see that the product La Bourse is automatically added here. If you add the quantity, it adds here. The total also adds here. You can actually change the price to 5,000. It will affect the grand total. And now let's assume you wanted to sell this product to a customer that is not in your database. If I go here, the customer is not here. Let's say that you want to sell it to Mbole. What you simply do is you come here. I simply just type Mbole. You now see that you don't have to type 237 because it's already there. You just have to click and then you type maybe whatever number you want to type and then you submit. You see that Mbole would automatically be selected. Now you can just click cash and then you make your sale. So that is how to do star sales, and then you do zero stock sales. It's become very easy in the software. You will realize that I included this button. This is how the system was before, but now I've added this button so that when you are searching products, for example, if you have products that have very longer names, you see that it's difficult to read them from here. So when you click on this expand button, you can be able to at least have a longer space for your products, and you can bring it back here. Remember, to sell zero sales, you just click on all sales. To do start sales, you click here on start sales to include new customer. Now, one important feature I'm still working on is about 50 hours. I just started. Let's assume that you have a series of products here and you want to edit them. You can select these products or you can select all of them, and there's a new button I added here called edit. If you click on this edit button, what is going to happen is that you will now be able to change the product name, the price, the cost price, and unit. This helps you to change multiple products as once. You can change 500 products. For example, you can come here, increase quantity of this product to, let's say, quantity. Let's look at this product. We'll search for it here. Let's put the quantity of this product now to 700, and let's put the price, the cost price at 1,800, and the selling price at 5,000. When you are done with all of that, you can just update. So once you update, that product will be available for sale. You can come here to this window and you just paste this product. You see now it has the 700 quantity which we updated. So this makes sales very easy for you. The last thing I'm going to show you is the customer report. So you click on reports and you scroll right down to the bottom and you take customer report. Let's assume that the customer is walk-in customer, and then you can see reports by sales, payments, quotation, and returns. So let's say you want to see a report for the last 90 days for this customer. You submit. It's very easy to see report. If you wanted an internal report system, just click on PDF here, and it will show you the customer's entire report for the customer. And then if you wanted the print function, it's also possible to see the print. Now you see that Noella says she wanted this part of the report to be with the customer letterhead. So you now have the customer report from here, and then you also have the customer name. That is the period for which that customer has been assigned. So thank you very much for watching.